Hey guys, what's up? It's Crypto Royale here. I hope you guys are fine. I hope you're having a wonderful week out there. So, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I would advise you to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bar so whenever I post a video, you get a notification in your mail. So, on my tutorial today, I'll be taking you through the Binance platform once again. Understand? I'll be taking you on how I got at about $15 to $16 free, referring people on my Binance account. So it's very important you try to invite your friends to start trading with your unique ID, and also it's very important for you to participate in some free airdrops so you can always receive free coins. So for example, what I'm talking about is look at this place here. I got some distribution. I got $100, I mean 100 TWT, right? 100 TWT. I got this distribution on the 21st of December 2020. They gave me, I've been getting gas and all that. I've got a lot of free stuffs on my Binance account because I'm very active. I invite a lot of members to Binance using my link. You understand? So also I'll be taking you through the trading platform itself, how you can be able to trade. I will take some live trades for you to see, and I'll pick some good coins that I'll be trading myself, so you can pay attention and watch what I'm gonna do carefully. So the first thing, I'm just going to take you to my invitees. I'm going to take you to my referral bar, so which I'll click here. I'm already logged in on my Binance account, so I'll click here. So you can see here is my unique ID. So whenever I want to invite someone to register on Binance, I can just copy this unique ID. It says copied, and then I'll just copy this. Once I copy this, if I can, in fact, I can just copy this unique ID and send to you, and then you put it on your homepage once you're registering. So I can decide to just give you this link. So you click it, and then you go direct into the stuff. So taking this my referral account, I've referred up to 23 people on my Binance account. I've invited up to 23 friends, and I've earned 0.0004500 Satoshi, inviting people to join my Binance class, or sorry, join my Binance and either buy or swap coins with this account, with a Binance account. So it's very easy to do this. It's very easy to do this, right? So all you need to do is you just have to log in your account. You go to this here. Once you click on this, you just come to refer. Once you come to refer here, you just need to generate your link. Once you generate your link, it will appear here, and then you can just decide to copy the ID only, or just copy the link as a whole and then send it to your friends you want to invite. So that's that about that on inviting people on your Binance and getting commission through it. So let's go back to my account, to the overview of my Binance account, which I'll be taking some trades here. um, so here I'll go to sports, which I'll just click on this to review some of my balance on my account. So I've entered a few trades on today. I think I'm on negative 5.16, 5.17, but it's nothing. It's gonna go back, and I've cut lost already. So I'm on 337, which I already pulled out a lot of profit a couple of weeks ago, and I'm just making this. I'm just using this account right now for the sake of this tutorial. So what I'll do is I'll just click here. I have USDT, right? So I'll just click on USDT. Yeah. So I'm gonna check the price of one USDT. So USDT is just a stable coin, like I've told you guys before. It's just a stable coin. That one of it is almost $1. But currently, right now, normally it's one USDT is about 0.99 US dollar. So this is the current price for one USDT, and which you don't really have to be bothering yourself about that. So you just have to know that it's a stable coin, and that's it. So now I'll just click on here. I'll just click on trade here, right? So I click on trade because I have 337 USDT. So I'll just click on trade and I will pick a pair. Let's say I pick let's say I just pick NGN, which is Nigerian Naira, but I'm not going to trade that. Once I get to the trade platform, I'm changing it. So right here, this is the trade platform. Is the interface, is the chart, and all that. So if this is your first time watching this my tutorial, you can go back to some of my previous videos, and then you can watch how you can get through this platform, how understand platform. So if you're watching this video, is already I assume you've watched some of my previous videos and you probably understood everything about the platform here. Like I said, this is the order book here. This is the order book right here. You understand? This is the, market, where you can choose to buy at a particular price or so. These are currency pairs here. You can just choose select any one you want. So I'll click on this. I'll click here and I'll search USDT because I already have USDT in my account. So I'll look for a pair that I want. So right now this is 1 inch, right? It has done times 3 already of its previous price. It has done times 3. So I'll just avoid any coin that has the times 3 on it. So I'll just go forward and I'm looking for a coin that has been selling and also has not done any times 3, and I'll check a few details about it and then I'll go for the coin. So this is audio, one of my favorite coins. I've got a lot on this coin, and it's a very good coin that has done me well in the past. So I'll just go forward. I'm still looking up. Something good. This is data. It has done times 3 already. And at this point, anything can happen. With the favorite thing, you can get the candles right, but at the same time, anything can happen right now. So I'll just avoid that. So I'll just go down, go down. Okay, key has done plus 17. Wow, that's good. I have key somewhere, and I think that's good. That's good. So all right, I'm still looking for something good, guys. I'm still looking for something good, something that can bring good profit, and then I'll tell you why I choose that. So okay, fine. I think I'm gonna pick XRP. I think I'm gonna pick XRP. I'm gonna pick XRP. Should I? No. I think it has done times 10 already, but currently there is no. Okay, some of you might watch this video. You might be from countries where SEC has limited XRP. So I'll just go forward and okay. Let's say I'll trade on audio. Let's just pick audio. Should I? Yeah. Let's pick audio. Let's pick audio. So this is audio right here, and I have USDT as my counter currency. So I'll just pick here. I'll speak audio. Okay, my chart is on 1 day, so I'm gonna take it back. I'm gonna take it to 4 hours. I'm gonna take it to 4 hours. So on the 4 hours chart, okay, let's see if I can see something good here. Trading view. Aha. So my chart is on what? My chart is on 4 hours, right? So you can see that the highest has gone is what It was plus is a 0.21535. So okay, this has no times 3 on it, or times 1, or times 2, which is struggling to go back. It's struggling to go back. So I'll just go here. Yeah, I'll just click on I'll click on charts. Click on charts, right? So once I click on chart here, so if you don't know TradingView is just a good platform. You can analyze charts and also check uh, what people are talking about, a lot of coins and all that. So I'll just look for audio. I'll look for audio, right? I'll look for audio right there. So this audio, I'm trading audio with USDT, and it's already marked as Binance asset. So I'll just click on this Binance crypto. So I'll just click on it. So once I click on this audio, this is a chart for audio slash USDT, right? For this currency pair. So I'll just click. I'll set my chart to 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours is good for me. So, oh my God, you can see. So my chart is on 4 hours now. So I'm trying to zoom it in. Trying to zoom it in. Okay, it's fine. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'll just catch up. I'll just pick a good a trend line from somewhere. Okay, let's say I'm picking it from here. I'll just pick it from here. I'll just make sure it touches 3 points, at least 3 points. I'm just picking something here. I'm trying to draw an ascending channel, so I'll just pick it here. Oh yes, I think it's touching here too. Yeah. Oh, that's fine. I think it's okay. So I'll start this one from somewhere here. I'll pick another trend line again. I'll just pick it from somewhere here. Wow, so it cuts three here. Three, just three. So I'll pick another one from here and stops somewhere here. Boom. Very good. So there is a very good possibility that at least the market will break this place. Market will break this point here. Let's see from here. Ta, 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 ta. Was last week. Take it here. Boom. Good. So everyone has his own analysis about this. How I just get. Sometimes I get a few bucks trading all these coins because I just do some little analysis, and I make sure I'm falling between the channel as it's ascending, and then I'll just pick it up. I'll buy in bulk, and then I'll sell in bulk in less than no time, and then I'll make a little profit. So on here you can see that the candles are still forming in between. Once it exceeds this line here, that's probably in the next 16 hours. I should be expecting this price to be at 0.187, 0.187. Yeah, around here, around here. The price should touch this. The price should touch this place here, which will be 0.1, because I already formed a triangle here, which is the same triangle that is forming out here, right? So I already formed this, and you can see that the price is still in between the ascending channel. So I'll just go on and just trade, because this is just my own little confirmation that I'm gonna give this market before buying. So I'll just go back to my Binance platform. I'll just go back to my Binance platform. Oh god, the price has even increased a little bit. Oh my god, oh my god. So what should I do right now? So I'll just come down. There's a buy and sell I already have 337 USDT and is available here. So I'm just going to pick up this 337. What's the current price in the market? Current price is 0.183270. So I'm going to enter. No, I'm using its limit, right? So I'm just going to drag this line here, and I'll take it. Let's say I'm buying. I'll just buy. I'll just use $150 to buy this. Yep. So $150 for this. I'm spending just $150. So let's click. The price is 0.327. So I'll bid for 0.250. 0.250. So I'm just sending this order right now. Boom. And it says limit order has been executed. So once you come down here, this is my order. This is the order I've executed. This is the order I've created right now. And it says I'm buying what? 830 of audio coin for at the price of 18250. You understand? So whenever this price drops to this this limit here, my order should be executed, because right now it is 0.18327, which my order is still under pending, right? It's a pending order right now. So once the price drop to this point, this order will be executed immediately. And once this order is executed immediately, my balance will be filled, and then I'll have just 186 USDT left. So basically, that is how you can place pending orders, limit orders on this market, right? So that's that about that. It's quite easy. It's quite easy. You don't need to get confused about anything. Right here, I've already explained this in some of my previous videos. But these are buying orders. These are selling orders from some of the people trading this coin. Some people are wanting to sell this coin at their own different rates. So that's just that. And here people are buying at their own specified rates. Understand? So but if I should place this order using this market rate, the other one would have been executed immediately, but I use the limit because I want to buy a little less, so it's very easy. It's very easy, very easy. So that's that about that. So if you enjoy watching this video, you can hit the subscribe button, and whenever I post a new video, you get to see it first, and also you get a notification. So you can comment where you're confused. You can like, share this video if you enjoyed it. So thanks. Hoping to see you on my next video. Bye.